when you log in into the system for the first time, it will ask you for 4 credentials. What are that? Client number, user ID, password, and the
Language.
language. So SAP by default will give some clients. What are the clients? 000, 001, and 066. What is 000 client? It is called as a master client. 001 is a reference client. 066 is early watch client. What is exactly master client? 000 client is called as master client. It is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. Remember this sentence. 000 client is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. What does that mean? Maintenance of repository object means? Maintenance of repository objects means what? Your software content, programs, reports, screens, menu options, all these called as repository data. Maintenance of repository objects means each and every software will have some bugs, but day to day the software companies, the vendors will release bug fixes. The same way how you get the updates in your WhatsApp and Windows, regularly they are adding some new features and they are doing some corrections in old features problems, right? So whatever, if you want to upgrade your software, update your repository of, or if you want to do some changes in your software, you should log in with the 000 client. Remember that whenever you are applying the patches, whenever you are applying the nodes, and you are doing upgradation of your software, if you want to upgrade your software from ECC6 to S4 HANA, ECC5 to ECC6, that means that is called as maintenance of repository objects. If you are doing anything to the standard software, we should do with which client? 000 client. 000 client is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. Remember this sentence. And 000 client have access to all the tables of the database. 000 client has access to all the tables of the database. That's why I'm calling it as master client. But when you log in into 000, you can access all the tables of your database. And this 000 client has some baseline customizing settings which are required for your German business. What is the meaning of baseline customizing settings? So if you create a software in India, what default settings are what? Country is equal to India, currency is equal to INR, right? The same way this software belongs to Germany. So by default you will have Germany settings. That is what called as, it has baseline customizing settings which are required for German business. Along with the client number, it will ask you for the username and the password, right? So it is giving by default 2 users. What are that? SAP star and DDAC. We are logging into 000 client by using SAP star user. If you remember, by default you are getting the client, by default you are getting the users also. By default you will get how many clients? 3 clients: 000, 001 and 066. In 000 you will get 2 default users. What are they? SAP star and DDIC. Write down the points. First point, 000 client is called as master client. It is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. Second thing, 000 client has access to all the tables of the database. That's why I'm calling it as master client. 000 client has baseline customizing settings which are required for German business. And the default users are SAP star and DDIC. Is this clear? Why we use a 000 client? To maintain R3 repository objects. Remember this sentence. Important in your interviews. They will ask you why you need to log in into 000 client while you are applying the patches. Why you need to log in into 000 client while you are doing the upgrade of your software means it is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. Maintenance of repository objects is nothing but maintenance of your software. Software maintenance is applying the corrections, applying the patches, upgrading the software, everything comes under maintenance. Okay, and the users are SAP star and DDIC. The password is 06071992. That was the release date of SAP. 0607 means July 7th, sorry, July 6th, 1992. And the DDIC password is reverse 1992 07 and 06. And the second client is 001 client. What is that? It is called as a reference client. Referring to what? Referring to master client. 001 client is a reference client to master client. It is also having baseline customizing settings which are required for German business. That is a copy of 000. By using 001 client, you can have access to only customizing tables of the database. If you look at 000 client, you can have access to all the tables of the database. 001 client has access to only customizing tables of the database. That is the difference. By logging into 000, you can access all the tables. By logging into 001, you can access only customizing tables. And other things are same. You will have baseline customizing settings which are required for German business. Second point. And third is the default users are SAP star and DDIC. That means in 000 client, 001 client, you will have two default users. They are SAP star and DDIC, and passwords are same. 0607 1992 1992 0706. 000 client is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. It is a master client. It has access to all the tables of the database. 000 client has baseline customizing settings which are required for German business. Default users are SAP star and DDIC. 001 client is a reference client. It has access to only customizing tables of the database, which has baseline customizing settings which are required for German business. The default users are SAP star and DDIC. The passwords are 0607 1992 and reverse. 066 is early watch client. What is the meaning of early watch? It is a service client. Remember, 066 client won't have any business data in that. Only it has technical data. That means if you log in into 066 client, you can see only the technical information. What is the software and what is your RAM utilization, hard disk utilization, your database growth size, and your CPU utilization, everything. So that SAP people will log in into your system. If you get any problem, SAP people will log in into your system into which client? 066 client. Okay, in 000 you will have your own data. SAP is also one of the competitor for me in a business, in some other business. I don't want to show my business data to SAP. So they have a separate client, 066 client. If you log in into that client, it will only show you the technical content, not your business data. Remember that. By using that, they will solve your problem. So if you get any problem, if you raise a complaint to SAP, SAP people will log in into which client? 066 client. Generally, they log in into your client in a regular basis for creating early watch alerts. What is the meaning of early watch alert? The name itself suggesting it is watching earlyly and it is giving you the alert. Okay, your database growth is this much. In 1 month, your file system may be full. Your RAM is fully utilizing. Your processor is fully utilizing. You may encounter this problem. Before the problem arises, the SAP people will look into your problem, will check your system, and they will give you a report. That report is called as early watch report. They will log in into 066 client and they will give you early watch report. And for pre-go live check also, they will log in into 066. What is the meaning of pre-go live? When you implement your SAP now, there are so many phases. Before going to go live, there will be one phase called pre-go live. They will log in into your system and they will check whether you have properly configured or not, whether you have properly installed or not, whether you have properly implemented or not. and they will give you okay by doing pre-go live check. After that only you will go to go live your business. You will start your business on your SAP. For these two reasons, SAP people will log in. For what? One is for early watch alert. One is for pre-go live check. Instead of these two, why they log in into your system? If you raise a complaint, then also they will log in into your system. Which client they will log in? 066 client. That's why this client is called as a service client. 066 is a service client. It is used for generating early watch reports and pre-go live check. It has two default users, SAP Star and Early Watch. No DDIC here, remember. No DDIC. SAP Star and Early Watch. The passwords are 0607 1992 and the Early Watch user password is support. Mostly they log in with Early Watch user. And the password for that is support. So how many default clients we have? When you install your SAP, by default you will get 3 clients. Client
Three.
number should be 3-digit numeric, range between 000 to 999.
Huh?
So by default you got 000, 001 and 066. Instead of these three things, you can give any one. 001, 002, 100, 200, 300. For your development, quality and production, we will use some different clients. We don't use these clients for your business. For our business, we use a new client. Why? We have 3 default clients. In which client I need to do my business? To do the business, you need to log in into one client. Which client I should log in, and I need to start my business?
000.
No, 000 client is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. I told you.
Yeah,
That means,
001.
yeah, yes, 066 client is a service client. 000
Service.
client is for maintenance of repository objects. The remaining is what? 001 client. But no customer is interested to work in 001 client. Why? When you install your SAP system now, first of all you will look into the service marketplace for the latest available patches. You install the base software and you will have so many patches available at the time of installation. After installation, as a part of post installation activity, you apply all the patches whatever available till that date. By using which client you apply the patches? Applying the patches is nothing but making some changes in your software. Which client you use? 000. I told you 000 client is reserved by SAP to maintain R3 repository objects. For applying the patches, we use 000 client. So which one is the most updated client now? 000. So when I have most updated client, why should I use 001 client? And 000 I cannot do my business. So what I do, I'll create a new client and I copy from 000 to that new client. And now my new client will be most updated client and I'll start my development there. When you install your system, you will get by default 3 clients: 000, 001 and 066. 000 we can't do any business. It is reserved for maintenance of R3 repository objects, software changes. 066 is for service client. SAP people log into that for some making some problem corrections. 001 you can do the business. But oh, we have only 1 minute left. Can you please relog in? Yeah. So which client I need to start my development? This is the first system I have installed. By default, I got 3 clients. After installation, as a post installation activity, I used 000 client to apply the latest available patches. Which client is most updated client?
000.
000. So when you have most updated client in your system, why customers interested to work in 001 client? So no customer is interested to work in 001 client. If you want, you can do business in 001 client, but nobody is interested. Instead of that, what they do, they'll create a new client. They'll create a new client. I'll show you that. So by default I got 3 clients. Now 000 is most updated client. 000 client has access to all the tables of the database. Means by using 000 you can access all the application data, client specific customizing data tables, user related tables, repository related tables, cross line customizing tables, right? Now I'll create a new client name, some 100 or anything. You can give any number range between 000 to 999. Already I have 000, so you should not give 000, 001 and 066. Instead of that, you can give anything. And I'm creating a new client 100. This is an empty client now. I don't have any access. Now what I do, I'll do the client copy. That means I'll copy 000 to 100. Now 100 will have all the access, whatever 000. What access 000 has? 000 has access to all the tables of the database. Now this 100 also have access to all the tables of the database. By using 100, I'll do all my customization, developments, modifications and enhancement. This is my development system. After doing developments, I'll install a new system. And again I'll get 000, 001 and 066 in that new system. And I'll create a new client called 200. That is my quality client. Copy from 000. And I'll move all the changes to quality system. Finally, I'll create a new system called production system. There also by default I'll get 000, 001 and 066. And I'll create a new system, new client called 300. 100 is my development client. All my developments I'll do in 100. All my testing I'll do in a 200 client. All my business I'll do in my production client. This is my 3 system landscape. What is the landscape? The arrangements of your systems in your organization where you do your development, quality and production is called as a landscape. Okay.